Our consumer business services agent, Lumina, is designed to enhance the membership experience for professional associations, streamlining member interactions by providing real-time assistance with membership management, continuing education tracking, training and certification support, as well as event information. Lumina enables members to retrieve information, update details, and register for continuing education courses and events without manual intervention. I'm going to just hop right in here and do a quick demo of Lumina here from our experience site. As you can see here, Lumina joined, and I'm just going to provide my email here so that Lumina can identify the member. And then we're going to go through a series of questions just to demonstrate the functionality that Lumina is able to provide. So the first thing I'm going to ask is just, how does my membership renew, or when does my membership renew? And you can see here, Lumina provides the date that the membership will renew on. So let's ask, how do I renew my membership? You can see here in Lumina's response, she's able to provide the details of how to renew membership, and this is based on our FAQ use case and our ability to retrieve information from Salesforce knowledge articles. Let's ask one more question about membership renewal. Let's ask, what is the cost to renew? And you can see here, Lumina is able to provide the details on the cost to renew and also provides a link. And a few more questions about membership. Let's ask Lumina about the address that I have on file for my membership. So Lumina provides my current address, but maybe I moved and maybe I'd like to update my address. So I'm going to ask if I can update my address. And now I'm going to provide the address that we're updating to. And let's just confirm. And so Lumina has mentioned that the address is updated. So Lumina was able to update the record in Salesforce, the membership record in Salesforce. She was able to update my address. Next, let's ask Lumina about continuing education. So maybe I completed a course and I would like to upload proof of my certification. And while we're waiting for Lumina to provide a response, I did just want to note here that the ability to upload PDFs into the agent is on the roadmap for Salesforce. So for right now, we've added a placeholder just to show the functionality of being able to upload a certificate. And then maybe I'd like to know how many total hours I've completed for my CEs this year. So let's ask Lumina that. And so I've completed 22 CE hours, but maybe I need a few more CEs to complete the number of CEs that I need for the year. So maybe Lumina can provide some details on some of the courses that are available near me. And you can see here that Lumina is able to provide a list of courses that are near me based on my location and the location or address for the course. So there's quite a few here, and it looks like they're all pretty close to me, but maybe I'm interested in just online courses. So let's ask about the online courses next. And you can see here that Lumina is able to provide a list of the online courses that are available. So we have a list of the different training offerings that are strictly in an online format. And now I'm interested in maybe a couple of these, maybe this last one here, laser therapy and periodontics. So I'm going to ask, well, how do I register? You can see here that Lumina provides a link to be able to register to any of the online courses. And then just a couple other questions here in relation to conferences or events. Maybe I would also like information on the upcoming conferences or events for this year for the organization. Right, and it looks like Lumina provided a couple different conferences that are coming up this year. And so lastly, we can ask, how do I register for the National Dental Summit? And once again, you can see here that Lumina is able to provide a link to the National Dental Summit conference here to register. And so just in conclusion, this is just a small number of use cases that would be of benefit for the professional association's use case or for the membership experience for the member.